What are you doing?
Here, take a look. You can see plain view. I'm just sitting here.
No, I can't see inside the vehicle. That's why I'm asking. I have several people that are calling in concerned about your vehicle being parked here with the windows covered.
Yeah, I covered them up. It's Sunday. I mean, daily. You understand. You don't look like you understand. Why you give me that blank stare?
I'm not, sir.
What's the complaint exactly? Just the covering of the windows?
The situation starts with the officer approaching a vehicle parked in a lot where children play, accusing the driver of suspicious behavior due to covered windows. Under Texas Transportation Code, Section 545.302, a vehicle must not obstruct the driver's view, the officer states. However, the driver explains that he was not driving but parked and the covers are simply for shade, a daily habit to block out the sun, and questions the complaint about his parking. While the officer escalates by demanding identification, the driver calmly asserts that the officer hasn't provided enough reason to comply. The officer's unfounded assumptions about the situation show a lack of understanding and improper escalation of the encounter.
But there is a suspicious vehicle in the parking lot where kids play.
Yeah?
Shoes outside, the windows covered.
Huh. That's unfortunate.
Do you have your license?
For what?
So that I can identify you?
Is this a traffic stop?
No, sir. This is a complaint.
Yeah. All right. Well, did you identify the complainants? Who are they? I mean, I saw some people around. I guess those are the people that called. Do you know who they are?
I don't.
You asked for their ID?
I have not spoke with them. Our dispatcher did. May I see your ID,
You got quite a surprised look on you.
I don't.
You're not jacked up on energy drinks or anything, right?
Sir, may I see your license?
What's the crime?
I told you that your suspicious vehicle parked in a parking lot where there's lots of children.
Do you know where this is going? Is that a misdemeanor or is it felony? Daly? D. Daly. What's your first name?
I'm Sergeant Daly with the Rusk Police
Sergeant D. Daly.
My badge number is 104.
I don't care. Whatever that means. Where do I look up a badge number? City of Rusk.
Provide your license?
Well, will you give me your license?
I don't have
I'll exchange. What? You're driving without a license? Why would you be doing that? That's kind of illegal.
My license is in my vehicle. I have it on me.
Oh, sure. Yeah, let's. I don't see what the problem is. I mean, you're escalating this issue. Here. All right.
Washington, Adam, Queen, Young, 5545.
Okay.
May I see your license so that I can
May I see your license so that I can identify you fully? I need to see a picture ID, please. One picture ID from D. Daly, please.
No, sir.
No, sir?
No, sir.
Ma'am, are you a ma'am or a sir? I can't tell. Can you, what? Oh, you're here to, oh, you got.
I'll be right back.
I mean, oh, all right.
The officer persists in her demand for identification, trying to justify it by suggesting the driver's behavior is suspicious. Under Texas law, an officer can only request identification if there is reasonable suspicion of a crime. The driver replies, questioning the officer's grounds for stopping him. As the situation unfolds, the driver notices the officer's uncertainty, mocking her inability to establish a legal basis for the stop. He remains composed, making it clear that he won't provide his license without being given a valid legal reason, exposing the officer's lack of professionalism and her overreach.
No. How did... Oh, excuse me.
Back away from my vehicle, please.
Yep, well, what's up?
Here's the deal. So there's several people that are concerned about this.
I'm sorry that happened.
Okay?
Yeah.
They're worried about the children and all that kind of stuff. So if you could maybe just keep the covers off the windows, and that would put them at ease, okay?
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Okay, yeah. You too. So that I can identify you fully, I need to see a picture ID, please. One picture ID from D. Daly, please.
No, sir.
No, sir?
No, sir.
Ma'am, are you a ma'am or a sir? I can't tell.
Go ahead.
Can you, what? Oh, you're here to, oh, you got. I mean, oh, all right.
After a back and forth, the officer finally admits the lack of any actual legal violation and reluctantly advises the driver to remove the window covers. There's no law against covering windows in general. As long as it doesn't obstruct the driver's vision, she concedes. The driver, however, maintains his composure throughout, aware that no crime was committed. By standing his ground and exposing the officer's failure to justify her actions, the driver effectively dismantles the officer's attempt to escalate the situation. With a final comment, the officer walks away, leaving the driver victorious in this interaction. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.